Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a limited edition beauty box to share with you and it's all Nip and Fab beauty products. I'll just open it up and show you. It costs £25, contains 5 Nip and Fab products and has a value of £76.75. They're also releasing another beauty box which I will do a separate video for. There's no extra information about the products in the actual booklet, but I will have a look online and they might have extra information about the individual products on their website. If so, you will find that down below in my description, and also links to their monthly subscription and mystery boxes, etc. So you'll find all that down below in my description. So first up, we have got a Antipollution SPF 30 moisturizer. This sounds great. I haven't tried this before. This is from the Purity range and it just says protect, replenish, 100% vegan, cruelty free, non-comedogenic, and there's 50 mils here. It's an anti-pollution SPF 30 moisturiser with UVA and UVB to protect the skin from environmental aggressors and atmospheric pollutions. So it looks like. Now I'm not going to open it up because I wear SPF every single day. All throughout the year, there's never a day that I don't wear it. Even if I don't leave the house, it's always part of my skincare. So if I open this up and try it, then I will have to start using it. I've got to get into a habit of using what I've already got. And yeah, I cannot wait to try this. This really, really excites me. Next, we've got Salicylic Fix Spot Patches. These are ultra thin and translucent, easy to use, acts as a protective cover. There's 3 sachets of 10 patches. So there's 30 applications in total. I'm on medication to stop my acne, spironolactone. I've got polycystic ovary syndrome, if you're not already aware. I do talk about it a lot in different videos. I've been on that medication for about 7 years and I don't have acne anymore. I used to suffer severely, but my kids would appreciate these, no doubt. So always handy to have in the house. Really great that it's got salicylic acid in there. So there's those. Next, we've got an exfoliator. This is a glycolic scrub fix, triple action facial polish, and there's 75 mils here. Now I've already got one of these. We've got one down in the bathroom downstairs. A 3-in-1 micro exfoliant with glycolic and salicylic acids to refine, brighten and renew, to gently exfoliate, retexture and cleanse pores. Next, we've got a vitamin C tonic. There's 100 mils here. A refreshing and skin awakening tonic infused with vitamin C to reveal a glowing complexion. So to be used after cleansing and before any serums or moisturizers. And then lastly in the box, we've got a retinol fix sheet mask. This is to refresh, renew and revitalize the complexion with retinoid and coconut water. And there's information on the back there on how to use it. Just leave it on for 15 minutes. So there you go. So those are all the products inside this limited edition one-off beauty box. If you're interested in this box for yourself, then you will find details down below in my description. I hope you enjoyed watching. I'd love to hear what you think of Nip and Fab. And also if you've tried any of the products, I'd love to hear what you think of them. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I'll speak to you all again soon. Bye.